All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Drip Network at 365% back on your initial investment, 1% a day. All kinds of good stuff on cryptocurrency. Well, today we're talking about Keep Network. Yeah, this is one of the cryptocurrencies that's actually up right this second. A lot of cryptocurrencies are down, but Keep Network is up a lot. We're going to go to their website, check out their Twitter, find out all about this crypto, and at the end do a price prediction. Also, NFT sales are up 335 million last week. Top 5 collections of the NFTs. What's going on? CryptoPunks, all kinds of good stuff. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos, or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. We've been talking about node projects, making money with nodes. We've been talking about Drip Network, making money with Drip. We'll be talking about the pigs and dogs coming up here soon, talking about the piggy bank, all kinds of good stuff. All right, let's head over to Keep Network. All right, Keep Network, it's right over here by Anchor. It's 108. It's actually one ahead of Anchor. It's KEEP, Keep Network, up 31%. Woohoo! We actually got a cryptocurrency that's up during this. The last 7 days. It's up 31% today. 80 cents. Clicking it. All right, it's up 34% today. Holy cow, 81 cents. What's going on with Keep Network? Here's your last 24 hours. It's just jumping off the chart here. Let's take a look in the last 7 days. Yeah, this token is up, up, up. What about the holders? We have holders of this. Let's go to 3 months. We had 10,000 holders. Now there's 9,300 holders. So we got a little bit less holders, but this token is up. And it ain't always up to the right. Sometimes it's down to the left a little bit. But it's kind of where it was used to be at 9,300 opposed to 10,000. But it's up crazy right now. Keep Network. What is Keep Network? All right, it says Keep.network. Stake on Ethereum's first private computer and earn up to, I can't even say this number. Look at the APY they're saying you're going to earn. Staking with Keep is the best way to back the truly decentralized network of the future of DeFi. Start staking today. Privacy-focused infrastructure for public blockchain. The Keep Network allows private data to be used on the public protocol without sacrificing confidentiality. The Keep solution, true decentralization. Keep is the only protocol that is truly decentralized. Keep are off-chain containers that allow contracts to use private data without exposing the data to the public blockchain. The blockchain. Security without compromise. The Keep Network stores data with the highest level of encryption. Keep the TBTC have been audited by the strongest firm in the ecosystem. How to stake. Learn more about staking on the Keep Network to earn rewards and secure the network. How to keep the network works. Where to get Keep tokens. Staking your Keep tokens. Manage stake and reward. Launch your D app. You got your governance formula. This is my first time we're doing the Keep Network, so first time we're doing it. Read the latest community proposals and cast your votes. So they got all your stuff right here. Feature articles. So Keep Network, the project is up big time right this second. I mean, a lot in the last 24 hours, last 7 days. We're going to come back to a price prediction when we're done. What about these NFTs? They're big this year. Top 5 collections. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, NFTs. NFT sales hit 335 million over the past week. These were the 5 best-selling digital collections. All right, NFT sales had a breakthrough year in 2021. Over the past 12 months, it had 22 billion in volume. The NFT market is dominated by a handful of standout leaders due to the popularity and rarity. These were the 5 best-selling digital collections that helped drive the 335 million in NFT sales over the past week. All right, at number 5, we got Cool Cats. Cool Cats right here is at number 5. They did 4.5 million in sales. They did 148 units, and their highest unit was sold for 50,000. Cool Cats. Cool Cats are a collection of programmable, randomly generated NFTs, Ethereum blockchain. The first generation consists of 10,000 random assembled cats from over 300K total options. Cool Cats, they have a variety of outfits, faces, and colors, all cats are cool, but completely outfit cats are the coolest. All right, cool cats at number 5. Number 4 is Doodles. So Doodles comes in at number 4 here. $5.4 million in Doodles sold. 144 of those, and their top selling unit last week, $137,000. The Doodles come in a joyful range of color, traits, and sizes with collection sizes of 10,000. Doodles are a funky bunch that like to role play and transmogrify themselves into delicious treats. Holding a doodle allows you to participate in coordinated the Doodle community treasure. All right, the Doodles are at number 4. The Sandbox is at number 3. $7.8 million in NFTs sold. 606 of them. Highest price, $54,000. So right here we got the Sandbox at number 3. Number 2 is our favorite Bored Ape Yacht Club. $36 million in Bored Apes sold last week. 484 of them. All right, top selling one is 431,000, almost $500,000. And the top selling collection, CryptoPunks, $37 million. 57 of them sold last week. And the top one sold for $354,000. CryptoPunks. All right, there's our NFT news. 335 million sold in the past week. Top 5 collections. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. NFTs are here to stay. Do you have any? Do you want any? What are you thinking about those 5 collections? All right, let's head back over to Keep Network for a price prediction. Over here on their Twitter account, Keep. Trust math, not hardware. Keep. Keep is the building infrastructure, private data on the public blockchain, DApps, DAOs, including BTC. Come build with us. So there's a lot of going on here on the Keep network here. I want to show you this. It says, we know our follower count is low, but 99% of our community isn't even here yet. So they know that 99% of their community isn't even here yet. Over here at the website, if you hit stake, earn your Keep by staking on the Keep network. Launch your dashboard. Why you stake with Keep. Profitability. User-friendly. Permissionless. Profitability. Earn rewards in Keep and ETH by staking your Keep tokens. Anyone with Keep tokens can stake and secure the network. And last but not least, user-friendly. Stake your tokens and track rewards using the staking dashboard. All right, back over here at CoinMarketCap. What's our price prediction? This is the one that I always say keep your eye on it. It's up 31% today. You need to put this on your radar. I'm bringing this to you because this is one of the cryptocurrencies that happens to be up. And again, all our information is for educational purposes only, but take a look at all the red around here. And Keep at 108 is up 32% for the 7 days, and it's up 31% for the day. Looking at the top 6 here, we got red. Oh, Luna is actually up 45% in the last 7 days, but in the top 10, everybody is red except for Luna. Avalanche is down 8%. Solana's down 6%, 8%. No, Luna's up 43%. Cardano's down 11%. BNB's down 6%. Ethereum's down 6%. Bitcoin's being traded at 37,000. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Keep Network, cryptocurrency up right this second. Put it on your radar. What do you think of this cryptocurrency? It's actually at 108 on the CoinMarketCap. All right, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here to learn about Drip Network. Get 365% back on your initial investment, 1% a day. All kinds of good stuff going on with cryptocurrency. We'll be talking about nodes, talking about Drip Garden, talking about pigs and dogs in the piggy bank. All kinds of stuff coming cryptocurrency your way. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day, everybody.